Hello and welcome to Make It Vegan. In today's edition, we will be making a creamy vegan potato leek soup. This potato leek soup is unbelievably creamy, comforting and filling. It's the perfect choice for those chilly days too. This recipe is 100% vegan and it does not disappoint. Before we begin, please like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Supporting us on Patreon will enable us to improve the quality of our videos and allow us to invent more unique vegan dishes. Thank you for your support. To make this amazing soup, you'll be needing the following ingredients: 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon vegan butter, 1 small onion diced, 3 large leeks washed, sliced thinly, and we only use the white and the light green parts. 5 medium russet potatoes, peeled, washed and chopped. 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, minced. A teaspoon salt, and you can add more to taste. Freshly ground black pepper to taste. 1.5 teaspoons thyme and a half teaspoon dried rosemary. Half a teaspoon ground coriander, which is optional. 5 cups low sodium vegetable broth. 2 bay leaves. 1 to 2 tablespoons fresh lemon juice, which is also optional. 1 can or 400 milliliters coconut milk or soy milk or plant-based milk of your choice. 1 cup baby spinach, washed, which is also optional. And chopped green onion for topping. We didn't use it in this recipe as we are using the spinach. And now for the cooking instructions. Wash the leeks thoroughly and chop finely, and chop 1 small onion finely. And then saute the onions and leeks until near translucent texture. This will take a few minutes. Add the potatoes, garlic, salt, pepper and coriander spice, the thyme and rosemary, and saute for approximately 5 minutes to steam the potatoes. Add the vegetable broth and combine. And then add the bay leaves. Simmer for approximately 15 to 25 minutes until the potatoes are tender. Scoop out a few pieces of potato to use as garnish once the soup is poured into soup bowls, and set aside for the meantime. With an immersion blender, blend the soup mixture to a smooth and creamy texture. Add the cream and lemon juice and stir in. Bring the soup back to a steamy heat, but do not let it boil. Add the baby spinach leaves and stir until it is wilted completely. This will take approximately 5 minutes. Once done, spoon into bowls, garnish with the potato pieces, some black pepper and chopped green onion, that is if you're not using the spinach. Serve your soup with your favorite bread. In our case, we're serving our soup with sourdough bread. Please remember to click the notification bell to receive updates on new videos being posted weekly. Thank you.